Marriage is a big decision that can have a significant impact on your finances. We'll discuss the economic benefits and drawbacks of getting married, as well as how to determine if it's the right decision for you. First, let's discuss the economic benefits of marriage. One of the biggest financial advantages of getting married is the potential for combined income. When both partners work, their combined income can often be higher than that of either of them could earn individually. This can lead to a higher standard of living and more financial stability. Additionally, married couples may be eligible for certain tax benefits. For example, married couples may be able to file jointly and take advantage of a lower tax rate. This can result in significant savings on income taxes. Another economic benefit of marriage is the potential for shared expenses. When two people live together, they can split the cost of rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and other household expenses. This can lead to lower overall expenses and more disposable income. Married couples also tend to have more financial stability. For example, married couples are more likely to own their own home and have a higher net worth compared to unmarried couples. Furthermore, married couples may have access to better credit and loan terms. This is because lenders often view married couples as more stable and reliable borrowers compared to individuals. Marriage can provide financial benefits in the form of shared retirement savings and Social Security benefits. Married couples can often contribute to shared retirement accounts and may be eligible for higher Social Security benefits compared to unmarried individuals. While there are certainly economic benefits to getting married, there are also potential drawbacks to consider. One of the biggest financial risks of marriage is the potential for divorce. Divorce can be a costly and emotionally draining process, and it can have a significant impact on your finances. In addition, getting married can also come with new financial responsibilities such as joint debts or expenses. If one partner has significant debt or financial obligations, these could become shared responsibilities after marriage. Getting married can also impact your eligibility for certain government benefits. For example, if one partner receives government assistance, getting married could cause them to lose eligibility for those benefits. One important factor to consider is your overall financial situation. If both partners are financially stable and have similar financial goals, getting married could be a good decision. However, if one partner has significant debt or financial issues, these could become shared responsibilities after marriage and could cause financial strain. Another factor to consider is your personal and emotional readiness for marriage. Marriage requires a significant commitment, and it's important to be sure that you are ready for that commitment before getting married. It's important to consider the potential impact of marriage on your long-term financial goals. If you have a specific financial goals, such as savings for retirement or buying a home, it's important to ensure that getting married won't hinder your ability to achieve those goals. According to a study by the National Bureau of Economic Research, marriage can lead to significant financial benefits. The study found that married men earn between 10% and 40% more than unmarried men with similar education and job experience. Married women also tend to earn more than unmarried women. Furthermore, the study found that married couples tend to have higher net worth compared to unmarried couples. This is because they are more likely to own their own home and have shared retirement savings. However, it's important to note that the economic benefits of marriage may vary depending on factors such as income level, education level, and age. For example, the same study found that financial benefits of marriage were greater for individuals with lower levels of education and income. The economic benefits of marriage may be influenced by cultural and societal factors. For example, in some cultures, marriage is viewed as a prerequisite for financial stability and success. This can put pressure on individuals to get married, even if it may not be the best decision for them. Ultimately, the decision to get married should be based on a variety of factors, including emotional, personal, and financial considerations. While there are certainly economic benefits to getting married, there are also potential drawbacks to consider, such as the risk of divorce and new financial responsibilities. If you do decide to get married, it's important to be open and honest with your partner about your financial goals and concerns. This can help ensure that you are both on the same page when it comes to managing your finances and achieving your financial goals. If you decide that marriage is the right decision for you, that's okay too. There are plenty of other ways to achieve financial stability and success, such as focusing on your education and career, building a strong support network, and investing in your personal and financial growth. Ultimately, the decision to get married is a personal one that should be based on a variety of factors. By considering both the economic benefits and drawbacks of marriage, as well as your own personal and emotional readiness, you can make the best decision for you and your future financial success. And as always, take care of your money.